Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ontario at 5:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Tuesday, June 17, 2014. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Windsor, Leamington, Essex County, and Chatham, Kent, Rondo Park. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for Chatham, Kent, Rondo Park, Sarnia, Petrolia, Western Lambton County, Windsor, Leamington, Essex County, and Watford, Pinery Park, Eastern
Minute.
Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has